Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY some lights for your room, your gaming setup, if you have a YouTube channel, how to make some cheap lights. And before we get into that, if you guys could go down, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and like the video. But we're gonna get right into it right now. So this is all I had to buy right here so far. So I bought these EcoSmart 60-watt LED lights, which were, and it's a 4-pack, which I used 2 of them to go up there into this light, which really brightened up my room. If you guys can tell already from my previous videos, go check out other videos to see my lighting. It's not too great. And then I bought these canned clamp-on lights here. So you clamp these. You can clamp these to whatever you want. I think I'm going to be making a DIY stand too, not in this video, but sometime in the future for these. But come to the cord, you plug it in, then you just screw in the light bulb here. So we're going to be doing that. These were about 11 bucks a piece. This was about $7, so pretty affordable from Home Depot. And alright guys, we're back with all the things we need. So I have a normal sheet of paper right here, just a normal white piece of paper, and then I grabbed parchment paper instead of wax paper because my mom reminded me, shout out to my mom, that the LED light can probably get kind of hot. So, and parchment paper goes in the oven, so I feel like it might be a little bit more like resistant to the heat. First, what we're gonna need, we're gonna grab the can light here. I'm just gonna place it like this, right on here. And then I'm just gonna trace around it, because the one I bought, it's a 8.5 inch one, so it barely fits on here, but we're just gonna trace it really quickly with the pencil. And boom, that's one. And then, so there we go. So now I'm just gonna cut this out, and then I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I cut out the circle. So here's the circle. Make sure to use a nice sharp pair of scissors, because my scissors are kind of messed up, so there's some jagged edges. It doesn't have to be perfect though, so just remember that. And then now we're gonna take parchment paper, which is used for foods in the oven, so if it does get hot, I'm testing a bulb right now to see if it gets hot, but if it does not, then we're good. But I'm using parchment paper just in case it does get hot. So what we're going to do is we're just going to lay out a little bit. Alright, now you take this light can again, and you'll put it over. But this time, instead of tracing around it, I'm just going to put marks a little bit far away, because I want this to be able to wrap around the side so I can tape it up. So I'm just gonna do little lines right here, right here. So I'm just gonna do a line right here, back here, lift up this, and then one more right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And now I'm going to cut this into a circle, so I will be right back. Alright, I finished cutting out the parchment paper now. So once again, it's not perfect, but you can fix it up if you want when you're done, this little weird edge. But anyways, I have that done now. So what I'm going to do is use this clear tape right here. I'm just going to stick it to the middle right here, and then line this paper circle up with the light, and then I'll wrap this around and then tape this to the top of the light. So we're gonna do that really quickly. And boom, right there, it's now attached on. And I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but this is a budget DIY thing, so it doesn't have to be too perfect, right? So now we're going to put it on and see how this works. I gotta put the bulb in here really quickly, but alright, the bulb is now in, and we're going to attach this right here. So I'm going to take this side because there's a lot more paper on this side, and I'm just going to grab it like this. See, look at there. It's like going over the side. I'm just gonna tape it right there over the side, and you can go kind of around all the sides if you want to and tape it up, but we're gonna go right here, make sure it's lined up, and we're just gonna tape it over all around the sides here. And boom, so that's what we're gonna have for right now. I mean, it looks kind of funny. Here, I'll pick up the camera. That's what it kind of looks like. If you want to really take your time, you can tape around all the sides perfectly, make it look like a perfect circle, but for now, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do that really quickly. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like lit up. So, and then here's my other one. This is my one that's not, it's not getting really hot, so we're going to set up this light now. And there's the completed light. It is completely on right now, so it's a little bright there. Hold on, let me turn it off really quickly. So this is what it looks like finished. It gives a nice little soft light look to it. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other light, and then I'm gonna show you guys them both done. But yeah, looks pretty good, and I think it's gonna help the quality of my videos. Alright guys, both lights are done. There's the second light, I hung it right there. And here's the first light I did. So these are both the lights finished. You can just clamp them right here like I clamped them to this shelf, or you can clamp them to the top of your closet like I did right here. And then boom, it gives a lot of nice lighting over this area for my reviews, so hopefully that helps out the quality of the videos and will make a big impact on this channel. So if you guys like the videos and you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. Make sure to like and comment, and thank you guys for watching.